Today we'll talk about how can you add your cover on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that to add your uh, cover photos. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on profile here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on edit profile. So then you come to next step here, just click in this sign, and here can you here upload from your camera or upload from your library here. Then here it's going to add your here it's going to show for your cover here. So then when you down click here on save changes. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.